Good morning, my dear students. I, Anu, welcome you all to this online class of Maths. Class 7th, Statistics. My dear students, in this presentation, we are going to study about statistics, which is one of the branch of mathematics. In that, we are going to study about mode. So before beginning with that, let us start and collect some points and know about statistics. We need relevant numerical information called data to study various things like the size of population, the level of employment, and the standard of education. We know that by collecting these data, once the data is collected, we can classify it, we can analyze it, and we can interpret it so that our conclusions can be made. The branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data is called as statistics. I repeat, the branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data is called statistics. So let us now begin. Before beginning with mode, first of all, we should be knowing, my dear students, what is frequency, right? So frequency is the number of times a particular item occurs in a collection of data is called the frequency of the item. The number of times a particular item occurs in a collection of data is called the frequency of that item. For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5. What is the frequency of 1 in the data? 1, since 1 is occurring only one time. What is the frequency of 2? Again, it is 1 because it is occurring one time. But my dear students, what is the frequency of 4? The frequency of 4 is 3. Why? Because 4 is occurring 3 times in the given data. Moving ahead, let us continue with mode. The observations with the highest frequency in a given set of observations is called the mode of the observations. Please focus on highest frequency. The observation with the highest frequency. Observation with the highest frequency in given set of observations or items is called the mode of the observation. For example, if I need to find the mode of 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, 3, 7, 9, 2, 3, 2, that is the given data. So what is the mode? What would be the mode? Here in this, the mode would be the frequency of 2 is highest, it is occurring 4 times. So the mode is going to be 2. Why? Because 2 is occurring the maximum times in the given data. So that is why the mode of the given data is going to be 2. Now let us discuss some of the questions that are related to exercise 1D. In this question, again, we need to find the mode of the following. What is the values that are given? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 6. So my dear students, what would be the mode? Here we can easily identify, since 6 is the number with the highest frequency, that is 4 times, so the mode is going to be 6. Let us see one more example. 1 7 0 2 1 9 0 3 4 1 1 7 1 4 3. So what is the highest frequency here? It is a which number? It is a 1. 1 is occurring 5 times. So what would be the mode of the given data? It would be 1. Why? Because it is a highest numbered, highest frequency. Okay, that is occurring. That is 5 times, and it is of which number? It is of 1. That is why the mode is 1. Let us see questions further. Now, suppose now the data is given in the table form. We have observations and we have frequency. In that case, how we can find the mode? We have observations or the items, that is 3, 5, 9, 11. And what are their frequencies? The frequency of 3 is 16, frequency of 5 is 12, frequency of 9 is 24, and frequency of 11 is 10. So what is the highest frequency? That is 24, right? And it belongs to which data or which observation? It belongs to 9. Therefore, what is the mode of the given data? The mode is going to be 9. Why? Because 9 is the number that has the highest frequency, 24. I hope it is clear to you. Let us take one more example. Here we have observation 102, 104, 103, 107, 109. What are the frequencies related to that? We have 25. We have 25 that is related to 102, 34, 104, 13, 103, 38, 107, and 40, 109. So what is the highest frequency? That is 40, and it is relating to which data or which observation? It is relating to 109. So what is mode, my dear students? The mode is 109. So again, the conclusion can be made that the number with the highest frequency will define the mode of the given data. Moving ahead, we have question number 3. Again, here the data is given. First part 63, 72, 72, 85, 84. It is quite easy. What is the mode? 72. Why? Because it is occurring 2 times and all the other numbers are occurring only 1 time. So that is the highest frequency, and that is why the mode is 72. Now let us see here one more example. We have so many numbers or data that is given to us. Now let us see. As we can easily identify that 7 is occurring how many times? It is occurring 7 times. While we talk of 3, 3 is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is occurring 4 times. No, so it won't be mode. 4 is occurring how many times? 1, 2, 3. Again, it won't be considered. Then 5 is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 times. So again, so we can easily identify that 7 is occurring 7 times, right? So that is the highest number. Okay, the frequency is highest of 7. So therefore the mode is going to be 7. Moving ahead. Now we have one more question, that is a problem statement. The number of goals scored by a hockey team in 13 matches are 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, and 3. Find the mode of the distribution. We can identify from the given data, my dear students, that 0 is the number with the highest frequency since it is occurring how many times? 4 times. So what is going to be the mode of the given data? It is going to be 0 since it is occurring maximum times, that is 4 times. So this leads to the completion of the exercise. My dear students, you can try the remaining questions of exercise 1D related to mode. And if you have any doubt, you can ask even in the online class. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please watch it so that it becomes more clear to you. Thank you, my dear students.